Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and I'm so excited about this because we're going to be transforming this bedroom on a budget. And if you don't remember, we done this room last year as well, and I think I might make it like a more frequent thing where we transform spaces on like a very tight budget, just because I feel like it's a great way to challenge yourself. Also, it's a good way for me to challenge myself as well, because there's so much you can do with a space with little money. Whether it be paint or, you know, upcycling or creating your own art. There's so much you can do, and if you'd like to see, I've like loads of DIY videos on my channel if you want to see kind of DIYs that you can do. I tried to give myself a plug there, but like it just didn't work. It just didn't work. Okay, so before we proceed, I feel like I should show you what the room looks like currently. We have the bed, like the duvets and stuff are really good, and the pillow like inserts are really good. And we've got some nice lamps and like, you know, kind of bits in here. So let me close the door. So what I'm thinking is I want to paint the whole room like white, and then do like some sort of like graphic here and here. Do it all over again, and I get like a new mirror there, like some new accessories, a new rug. I think I might keep the bed black because I like that. I might strip the paint off the side tables, just to make it more like, you know, I don't know, it depends how we go. Or I might keep them black because they will look cool as well. Get a new lampshade, maybe a new mirror. I'll see how we go, and like paint a door, get rid of that. Like paint all the skirt, like really do it like over a few days. Bask in its glory. Now, I will say, when I done this room last year, I was so proud of it. I just thought it was so cool because I done that paint thing, and I thought like, wow, that's so cutting edge. It's so high fashion. It's so like new and fresh. Well, that hype lasted about a couple of days, because after a couple of days I hated it. And like, there's something that I've learned along the way of doing interior design is, if you've done a space and a few days or a few weeks later you hate it, that means you didn't do it right. I know, shocker. But that one, I've always been wanting to go back and fix it, and now we are. So let's jump into this. Let's go paint the walls white and like just live it. Let's just do it and transform it and make it amazing, because currently it's a hot mess. I just don't like it. It's dark and gloomy, and especially because we're on lockdown, we can't leave our houses. I want to make something that's fresh and new and clean, and just like you step in and you just feel like you're on holidays. That's all I want. Like that's the vibes we're going for right now, is that. So let's see if we'll achieve them, the goals. Okay, first things first is moving everything out. Okay, so everything's moved out, just the bed is still here, but that's fine because like I'll just use that as like a stand for the paint pot or whatever. So I'm gonna put plastic bags now down along all the edges, just so the carpet doesn't get ruined, because if it does, I will be murdered, and then I'll be getting replaced. I have like all the walls painted. Like, I mean, I think this is great progress for like a couple of hours. Well, like, I mean, it's been more than a couple of hours. But I need to do, that's like has 2 layers already. It needs about one more. and like in there, and this wall here needs like one more, and this section here needs one more. So tomorrow we're going to do our cuts and our curves. I'll do a video separate on how to do like a painted arch, just if you want to do it yourselves at home. And then we can order some like furniture. Woo, my favorite part. Okay, so now that we have the room painted and ready to go, we have the colors selected, I now have like a kind of idea of where I want to go with in terms of like styling. So I budgeted myself €300, like wasn't going over €300. That was my cutoff point, just to add in some new pieces to this space, just to really kind of bring it alive. And so because we can't go to shops, we're just gonna have to do it online. So let's get our laptop, let's go to the countertop, and that sounds like a, I don't know, and order some furniture, well, accessories. Okay guys, and now it's time to order all the furniture. Well, I mean, this is a very budget remodel, so we're only gonna be ordering, I wanna get new lamps, I wanna get a new rug, and I'd like to get a new lampshade for the ceiling light. And that's all I'm gonna limit myself to, because the whole idea behind this space transformation is using what I already have. So like we done that with like the paint and the accessories, so this is just kind of like the finishing touches, if you will. So we're going to go to some of my favorite go-to online stores, because you know we can't go out and shop, we have to shop online now, which is fine because I don't mind shopping online, although I do prefer to shop for furniture in person, because I feel like you get a better feel of like the color and like the texture and everything when you actually see it in person. But you know, I live for the surprise. I like when it comes and it surpasses my expectations. So let's get ordering. Okay, so we're on H&M here, and to be honest, I don't really see anything that I want. I mean, H&M's really weird. Like it sometimes has like loads of options, and then sometimes it doesn't. Like this is the case that like it doesn't. So we're gonna hop on over to Zara, because you know that's always a winner for me. I think I found a light. I know it didn't take long. Oh, it's €100. I want to check what size it is anyway first, because I have my measuring tape. I never go online shopping without measuring tape, and I know my measurements. So that's very important. Just a tip for you at home, that if you're planning on buying your furniture online, make sure you have some sort of measuring device with you, so when it comes it isn't too big or too small. I mean, there's this option here as well, but like, I think that's just gonna be too small. Is it gonna be too small? Because if we did do this, we could get like a rattan kind of style lampshade. So what to do in the car as well. See, that's only like, I mean, the height is 31 centimeters, so that's not bad. Let's have a look at the rugs and see what rugs, because if we get them €100 lamps, I mean, I really don't see myself getting a rug because that's too much money to spend on a simple room transformation. Okay, our furniture has arrived. We're put it in. Now let's show you the final result. Okay, now let's take a look at the final room. No, that's in super.
James, I will.
Dean, no, stop now. You said you were properly.
Yeah, I don't care.
Okay, let's have a look. Oh well, let me just cover your eyes first. Right, come on, walk up. And here it is. Okay guys, right, so this is the final space. I'm actually obsessed. We kept the bedding all white, just keeping it simple. The main goal here was just to simplify and make it just a lot cleaner and minimal. And I'm not much of a minimal designer because I like stuff. But this is just kind of a new kind of challenge for me. And it was all done on a really tight budget. So great way to refresh your space is just by paint. As you can see here, we paint the whole room white, and then I added in these like block colors of like red on each kind of like the corner here. It just adds like a lot more dimension in the space. And then just to add in that kind of more kind of rustic feel, we added in these kind of rattan lamps. I love these. It kind of has a coastal vibe, which I really like. Now these cushions, I really like how the line in them is like a bit more graphic against like the clean cut triangle over there, and this red here, I just really love it. This is like my favorite. This was I love like experimenting with different painting styles and just kind of seeing what you can do with paint. And I love how this is an arch, but like it's such a simple idea, but it's so effective, which I really like. And it just adds like frames off this as if it's like a picture frame looking at that amazing view. And then of course we put a mirror over this side just opposite the window, just so like the light bounces in and bounces back into the room, which is very important. If you have a small room, just add some mirrors and it makes it look 10 times bigger. And I like all the gold and brass accents. It kind of really warms it up and gives it a more rich look and feel, and I really like that. And then we have this gorgeous rug. I love this. I think this is my new favorite rug. It's just such a simple color, but yet like the pattern kind of just really breaks everything up, and it kind of ties in the carpet below to the rug to everything else. It just kind of, and like also the color in the cushions, they just match up very nicely. I just want to keep it very relaxed and like easy, not too many complications or bells and whistles. It's a really nice space to be in. I think it's important for a bedroom to be very simple because, you know, it's where you rest. And then this area over here, this is actually a challenge because this is such like a weird shaped desk. Like it's like a corner one. Like I'm normally used to styling ones that are rectangular and they're up against the wall. So this was a fun challenge, but we added in this really gorgeous, it's like a brass mirror from Zara Home. I love Zara Home, if you can't already tell. And we added in just like this simple little tray here, just so you can put your jewelry here or your makeup, whatever it is, if this is going to be your study desk or makeup area, I don't know. And we have some books here just to kind of add some nice, I love decorating with books. I think they're so like simple and easy, and it's a great way to accessorize your space. And then we used a rock here. It's like a pink kind of stone just to kind of hold the books up, because you don't need to use like book holders or what's it called, bookends to hold your books. You can get creative and add like rocks or like something else, or like, you know, paperweights, whatever it be, whatever you have around the house. Oh, I love this. This is a frosted grey glass lampshade from made.com. This isn't like a light, it's like just a lampshade, which I really like because I didn't have to go mess around with wires and stuff like that. Stop, you're putting too much pressure on me. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know down in the comment section what you thought of this space. Did you find it helpful in any way? Because I really want to show you like new ideas on how you can style your space and decorate your space and refresh your space with a small budget. Because I know most of you watching are between 18 and 24, so I mean, it's not a very wealthy age group. myself included. So I want to try to give you videos that or content that you can take away something from. So hopefully you could take away something from this video. And if you could take something away, just have fun. Design isn't supposed to be serious. It's an expression of yourself. So there's no rules. Just because you've seen someone do something one way doesn't mean you can't do it another way. If you want to copy this exact room, do it. Because this could be the perfect room for someone. If you hate the colors, if you hate the whole concept, that's fine. It's all dependent on your own personal style. With that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and whilst we're in quarantine, I'll be uploading extra videos every single week. And you don't want to miss any of them because I've got some good ones coming, as well as some new room transformations. So you're like this year I'm gonna have more transformations done in the first section than the first half than the whole year last year. So, you know, get excited. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.